South Division and also here in Group B in the preseason. Tip going to the guys in black. Seth Manzano, binigay kay Christian Pagaran. Lalata sa bandang itaas, binigay kay Cyrus Tabi, bounce pass. Lalata stepping in. And he will score the first field goal.
Chris Lalata was, I would say, a very good pickup here for the Quezon Huskers, especially with his play style. As Mickey Corteza sinks that three-pointer, yeah, I think that Chris Lalata is a really good fit. And it shows, no? He's been playing very well so far.
Parang maganda yung connection nila so far ni De La Virgen with 6 on their shot clock. MJ pass to Mickey Corteza. Corteza, one-hander. Something that patented na rin para sa kanya.
He really loves that one-hand push shot as well.
Pag lasalista ka dapat required yata sa'yo yan eh.
Ganun ba yun?
Captain Hook, di ba?
Oo nga, no? Bakit di ako nahawa doon?
Layup will work for MJ De La Virgen. Muntinlupa is ahead by 3-7. Strong finish to his collegiate career playing for the Benil Blazers. Nakaw, nakalusot at nalibre si Christian Pagaran.
Good
More than 20 minutes. Talagang binabalasan ni Coach Eric Gonzalez yung kanyang rotation. What a pass! AJ Miranda, JRU connection.
Kind of awkward skill set, but ine-explain niya lagi kung ba't malinis yung ano niya. Kapag pinapod ko yung mga video, naniniwala din ako eh. Oo nga, no? Hindi nga travel yun. No?
Oh, may proof naman eh.
Oo, may. Kaya pag sinabi niyang hindi siya nagka-travel, naniniwala ako eh.
Kapanal connects on the free. In traffic, the floater. Thing of beauty from Mickey Corteza was Apreco. Pasa kay Argente. Tolentino, reverse layup. Ayaw gumapang paloob pero nandoon si Apreco to clean it up.
Flex Apreco again. You can really see the difference of the body of RJ Minerva. He's really put on a lot of pounds here of muscle. I remember playing against him in high school where he was as a tall, lanky player. But now you can see the development. Got that offensive rebound, used his body to get that bump, finish in contact.
Hierro lines it up. Knocks down the three. Can't hit the three, however. Jaco Dario with a running start. Pasa kay Joshua Hierro. Bubukol ulit sa tres. How about Joshua Hierro with an improved stroke from the outside to run? Gapanal. Can't get past March De Leon, but he was able to set up. Ito si RJ Minerva. Digital wallet built for the community. Gapanal, jab step. Working on Marge De Leon again. Tabi with an elbow jumper. And Quezon on a roll. Forcing the hand of Coach Tantan Banal to call it for time. Josh Alcantara lost it. Cyrus Tavi in a foot race. Lays it up and in. Tabi lang natin yung Dombe.
Ayun na. Narinig na naman tayo.
This is now a 15-1 run by the Quezon Huskers.
Ooh.
Fadeaway jumper. Made it look easy but definitely tough from Patrick Ramos. Thank LGR, the official outfitter of the MPBL. Pagaran. Pass to Rodel Gravera.
He can shoot. He can definitely shoot. We've seen that, especially in the national finals.
Off to Dom Vera. Shot clock at 8.
Good roll.
Vera just moving well without the basketball that time. That's a total of 7 points.
Decision, last second pass there to Gravera.
Nararamdaman mo yung depensa ng Quezon kicking up a notch.
Yeah.
Si Patrick Ramos though able to escape momentarily to score 37-27. Cyrus Tabi whips a pass to Dom Vera. Shot fake. Draws closer. The last second tried to dish it off. Turnover. Muntinlupa with a chance here to score. Patrick Ramos has 6 points all coming here in the second period. For Quezon. De La Virgen to Vicky Corteza. Hand off to AJ Miranda. Miranda with a pull-up. It's good.
Asking for a foul there as well.
7 puntos para kay AJ Miranda. Macaloni. No foul. Miranda goes long stride, setting up Josh Alcantara with a deuce.
And Josh Alcantara, the rookie, who also played a very good game. He just graduated from the Perpetual Altas Coach Olsen system.
Peña Redondo hits a free. He is familiar with the hoops here, having played for Binyan for quite some time.
Home court niya na rin to eh.
Tama. Miranda off the bounce, lays it up and in, plus a foul.
He's just a pure scorer. He's gonna do everything in his power to score that.
Mario against MJ De La Virgen. Battle of feisty guards. Dario no. Macaloni yes, plus a foul. He played for LaSalle.
Yeah.
Diba? But then his stint got cut short there. As JP Belencion over Campanal knocks down a free. Parang naalala ko, 4th year na ni Tantan nun with Mapua. Tapos kaka-transfer lang ni Gab from LaSalle to Mapua. Diego Dario hits a free. 47-39. Pa-confirm ko nga kay Boss Boss Juan Banaldo kung tama ba yung info ko. Vicky Corteza with a second triple of the ball game. Quite a shootout to begin the third quarter. Seth Manzano pass at the corner. Wow, what a play!
What a pass there by Michelle Pagaran. Mukhang nagkaamuyan na yung dalawang mag-teammate doon.
AJ Miranda hoisted up, puts it in, plus a foul. What a quick pace. 5-point lead for the Huskers. Pagaran whips a pass to Chris Lalata, posting up Vicky Corteza. Diego Dario, masugod si Apreco. Seth Manzano nakadukot sa ilalim for 2 points.
That's his skill set there. He lives under.
Attracting multiple defenders. Corteza, top of the key. Got shut down by Campanal. Belencion, same spot, same result. Another triple from the former Letran Knight. Ander will roll out. Pagaran grabs the rebound. Bounce pass to Chris Lalata. Outside, John Abate for 3. Short. Grabs his own miss, lays it up and in.
John Abate is
Approaching the 6-minute mark of the third. Vince to Agent. Miranda working on Joshua Hierro. Skips it to MJ De La Virgen, who fires a free and knocks that one down.
Now we all know we can't leave MJ De La Virgen open, especially on that wing, where one of his favorite spots.
Hierro, walang alinlangan. Why not? He hits his third triple of the ball game. Check the halfway point of the third. Seth Manzano outside. Joshua Hierro. Oh my, oh my.
That's fourth.
Can't get it to go. Quezon looks to extend their lead. Under 4 minutes left in the third. Macaloni is free on that left side. biggest lead right now for the Huskers at 14 points.
Oh, everyone's just falling on the floor.
Muntinlupa asking for a travel, but they come away with a basketball. Argente all the way for 2.
Is it the
Dario. They go to Macaloni at the post. Release pass, John Abate. Draws closer, mabandang tira, will rattle out and in.
That's tough. Near that baseline, but still able to hit it off the glass for a soft touch.
Ang hirap pull up
Oo,
Mas pabanda.
Yeah, hirap na angulo din yun from John Abate.
Oh, Argente burning the nets with a triple. John Abate can't answer. Argente the rebound. Forward pass to Serrano. Pasturan, reverse layup is good, plus a foul.
A good mini run here for the Muntinlupa Cagers to...
Vera bagyang na libre. Did not take the shot. Cyrus Tami. Vera cuts. Campanal straight away free. It's good.
He loves that top of the key there, the middle.
In the second and third periods, ang major difference lang was Quezon outscoring Muntinlupa by 10 in the second frame. Campanal, same spot, same result. Another 3 knocked down. Jeric Serrano. Miranda, pinasa palabas kay Jeric Serrano. He hits a 3, top of the key. Maraming salamat sa Extreme, ang subok at kompletong appliance brand ng Pilipinas. Christian Pagaran lays it up and in. Back to a double-digit spread for the Huskers.
What an athletic move there by Christian Pagaran. On that left side, fading to the left with the right-hand finish.
Serrano, pangalawang 3. Galing kay Jeric Serrano.
6 points for him.
Chris Lalata. Pinasahan si Abate. Diego Dario for 3. Gets it to go. To Will Mack. Guarded by JP Belenchon. Trying to tough it out. Macaloni. Hook shot is good. Total of 9 points for Will Mack. Belenchon. Pasa kay MJ De La Virgen with a pull-up jumper.
But now we got players, young players who are 6'8", 6'9", 6'10".
Belenchon banks it home from downtown. 2 seconds remaining on the shot clock of Quezon here. Tabi sends it to Manzano. Wow! They do beat the buzzer.
Ganda nung...
Dalawang pasa yun
Ganda nung...
We'd like to thank MoneyPay, the digital wallet built for the community. Jim Boy sees daylight, lays it up and in. The last 2 minutes of our ball game. Agawan sa bola, Manzano on the deck. Gives it up, Cyrus Tabi in a foot race. Giving chase, Apreco, but no dice. Tabi with a basket plus a foul.
What a finish there. Some heavy contact from Flex Apreco.
Ulan yung nangyari doon.
Coming off that stop. Grabe, full sprint na si Flex. Hindi na nga niya nakita na shoot yung bola eh.
On what you've seen here, at least in this ball game.
I really like the combination of the bigs that they have here today. Where obviously you got another end one play by Cyrus Tabi.
Hindi nagkakamali daw to.
Grabe.
Cyrus Tabi.
Type lefties, and also you got Chris Lalata, who's kind of like
Times na kumakatok sila, just couldn't get over the hump.
yeah.
And the Quezon Huskers take care of business. They defeat the Muntinlupa Cagers here. And the final score is 76 for the Muntinlupa Cagers, 90 for the 3-0 Quezon Huskers. And